Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we will make children's favorite French fries, but in a much healthier way. We will not deep fry them, but parboil and then bake them. And you will see that they will come out to be very crunchy and crispy. So if you want, you can also freeze these fries after parboiling and then fry them whenever you want. To make these French fries, we will need two regular potatoes, preferably a little not very small. So these are medium sized potatoes, and now I'm going to peel them and then cut them into small finger chips. So I'll just half the potato, and now I'm going to make fries with them. This is about half centimeter thick finger chips that I'm cutting. So we'll do the same thing with all the potato and keep them. So here our finger chips are ready and they're ready to be cooked. So before boiling, we will wash these potatoes in running water to remove some starch, and then we will put them in boiling water. And with this I also have some pepper, black salt and olive oil that I'm going to use. Yeah, so I'm going to put them in boiling water till they're half done. So here they look half done, and now I'm going to I have put them on a kitchen towel to drain out as much water as possible. We will remove all the water from it. I had boiled it for almost 8 to 10 minutes. So now it's very easy. We will bake it. Grease your baking tray with olive oil nicely. If you want, you can also deep fry them if you like that taste. It is already parboiled, so it will just need to take a little color. But here I've greased the baking tray, and on this I will line all the finger chips in one layer. You should not crowd them together. They should be placed individually in one layer. And now we will add the seasonings. You can add any seasoning that you want. You can also add, paprika or anything else, but I like to put pepper and salt because that's what my daughter prefers. You can also put dried herbs if you like. And then now I'm just brushing the oil all across. So here goes my seasoning, the pepper. If you want, you can also put these, in a bowl and then mix it well instead of brushing it here. So that will make the seasoning stick nicely. And now we are going to put this in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we will turn these fries so that they can cook on the other side also and cook for another 5 minutes. And then they will be yummy, crispy, crunchy and ready to eat. If you love our videos, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.